This year while out ringing, I've been coming across so many male young barn owls. You're talking about like 80% or more are males. And I've just come across this young female here, about 8 weeks old. I just wanted to show you the markings on this bird, if you can see. Oh, it's just got that really rusty brown chest. You don't often see that. Just got absolutely fantastic markings on it. And that certainly indicates to me that this is a female. It's almost like a dark-breasted barn owl which you get on the continent. So to see a young female so heavily marked like that is absolutely fantastic. You can see how like the colouring on its back is dark. So yeah, this is an absolutely beautiful female, an absolutely beautiful example of a female barn owl.